Welcome back. Nifty holding in the green courtesy of few stocks. So ITC should be up for your screen. It's gained close to about 0.7% in the last 30 minutes or so. Idea Cellular, Infosys are a couple of the other key gainers, and most of them are at the high point of the day. But let's welcome two technical and market experts for the day. Sameet Chavan of Angel Broking is here with us, and we've got Rakesh Bansal, the Vice President at RK Global. He joins us on the show now. Good afternoon, gentlemen, and thanks for joining in. Sameet, your bias today is with the banking stocks. So take us through your trading ideas on PNB as well as Innocent Bank.
Yes, Rima. PNB looks good on the daily chart. It has given a good price volume breakout on Friday from its multiple resistance zone of 142 on a closing basis. Momentum is clearly on the upside, thus it can be bought for a near-term target of 154 and stop loss can be placed at 136.80.
All right, then let's get Rakesh into this conversation as well. Rakesh, you're looking to buy NCC?
Good afternoon, Najib. Definitely, NCC is a very strong buy at current levels. If you see, it's only a 1 rupee 20 paisa stop loss. Chart pattern is very good. We are seeing a positive crossover on the momentum indicators. Anybody willing to risk 1 rupee 20 paisa? It's an excellent trade on the upside. I feel stock can easily rally to levels of around 82.50 on the upside. Stock is making higher tops, higher bottoms on a hourly chart.
Okay. Tata Motors DVR is also higher in trade. In fact, it's gained nearly 15% this month. Remember, it will get added into the MSCI Global Standard Index effective today. Rakesh, you see more upside in the Tata Motors DVR?
Well, definitely, I see a big upside in the Tata Motor DVR. The day the news of being added into the MSCI index came, Tata Motor DVR opened with a gap. Stock has made a good base at around 285 levels. From the trading perspective, I have given a stop loss of 298. I feel stock can easily rally to levels of around 311 on upside.
All right, then Sameet, let's come across to you. Glenmark in the middle, it moved so well all the way to around the 1200 odd mark. It's given you a bit of a dip. You believe that this is a good buying opportunity?
Yes, it's been moving sideways since last 3 to 4 weeks. Today it is showing a good traction with rise in volumes that clearly indicate that over the next few trading sessions the momentum is likely to continue on the upside. It has given a breakout on the hourly chart. Any minor dip towards 972, 970 can be bought into. We have a near-term target of 1010 for Glenmark Pharma.
Okay. IDBI Bank has practically gotten re-rated, so it's rallied from levels of 55.60 that it was trading at in September all the way to the 95 mark. So that's a 60% upside, Rakesh. More to go?
Definitely more to go in today's trading session. We are seeing a price volume breakout above 90 levels. Stock has made a good base at around 87 levels on the downside. The worst case scenario is stock can enter a consolidation phase, but I don't see that stock declining. I am of the opinion that stock will go and kiss the immediate resistance of at around 107, 108 on the upside. And if you see technically, there is no resistance on the upside before 107 levels on the upside. I feel strong is a strong buying candidate at current levels. Place our stop loss at 87 and buy for a target price of 107 on the upside.
All right, then Sameet, let's come across to you. You're telling us about PNB. I believe that you like Innocent Bank as well. What are the targets over there?
Yes, from the private banking space, we have been a bit on Innocent Bank since last couple of weeks. Last week also we had recommended somewhere around 920. Chart structure still looks good. After 4 days of consolidation, it has given a breakout beyond 925, 930. Momentum is clearly on the upside. We are just shifting our stop loss on the upside. 907 can be a stop loss now, and we have a target of 978. So it can be bought on any minor intraday dip, probably towards 930, 932.
Okay, and to wrap it up, Rakesh, take us through your final two calls, Reliance Infrastructure and Walcott.
Well, if you see like now first was the sugar was moving up, then infra, now the entire ADG pack is looking good, and among the ADG pack, Reliance Infra is having the best technical structure. We have seen a big breakout on big charts. Reliance Infra is a strong buying candidate with a stop loss at 427 for a target price of 460, and my last call is a buy call on Walcott. In today's trading session, we are seeing a breakout above 1645 levels, price volume breakout. I feel stock can easily rally to levels of around 1732 on the upside in next 2 to 3 days. Place a stop loss at 1605 on the downside.
All right, thanks so much, Rakesh. Thanks, Sameet, for joining in and giving us all those trading picks. But let's do a quick recap of Sameet Chavan's picks for today. He recommends buying PNB, has a target of around 154, stop loss at around 136 rupees and 80 paise. Same IndusInd Bank as well as a buy, target at around 978 rupees. Stop loss he's placing at around 907. And finally, he recommends buying Glenmark Pharma, target at around 1010, stop loss at 948 rupees.
On that note, it's time for a short break. When we return, we'll introduce our first corporate, that's Intellect Design Arena.